This is Yaku, and today I'll be showing you how you can install Kali NetHunter on your Termux app on Android. So you do not need root, and it works on any phone. So once installed, you can use all the tools that are found in Kali NetHunter. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So here is how you can install and use Kali NetHunter. So the first thing that you're going to do is you want to allow Termux to use the Android storage. So how do you do that? So you do setup and then storage. So once you run this command is going to ask you if you want to give Termux access to the storage, because once you install Kali NetHunter, you're going to need like the storage space. So you need Termux to allow that. So let's go over that. So it's allowed. So what next? So the next command that you're going to run now is very important. Okay. The next command is you are going to install wget. So wget is a tool which allows you to download files from the internet via the command line. So it is very important, and if you don't have it, you can run this pkg install wget, and it should be able to install that already. But since I already installed it, so I already have it and I can run it. So in case you're having issues with wget not working properly, make sure that you run update or apt-get like this, and this is going to make sure that your environment is up to date and all the packages that you're installing, they're up to date. So once you've got wget installed and you've allowed access to the storage, now the next thing is to install Termux. Is to install the NetHunter. So which command are you going to use to install the NetHunter? So one thing that you're going to do is you're going to grab the NetHunter from the URL. So how do you do that? So with the wget, you're going to download the NetHunter, and you're going to download and use that storage to put it in the storage. And once you put it in the storage, you can now execute it. So I've got the URL that you need. I just paste it right there. So what happens is that I'll just install this. Sorry about that. I'm just going to paste it, and once I have this, I'm going to install basically NetHunter installer. And if I check in my file system, I can see that all right. So we now have installed downloaded Kali NetHunter in our system, and as you can see it's right there. And what we want to do now is to run it. So before you can run it, you have to make sure that it's executable. So how do you do that? You run this command, and then you specify which file you want to make executable. So once you do that, that means we can run it. We can just run it like this, and then once we run like this, we're going to get these options, about 3 options. So there are 3 types of installations. We've got full, minimal, and nano. So depending on which image you want, you just select. So I'm going to go with nano, and once I do that, it shows that there's another directory found. What do I want to do? Delete new one? No, so I already have it. So it means image found, delete no, and no, and once it's done, that's it. So which means I've got Kali NetHunter installed on my Termux, and I can basically run these commands you see right here. So if I want to start NetHunter, I can just type in nh, and it's going to bring up the terminal for Kali NetHunter. So right here we have it. This is the terminal for Kali NetHunter, and as you can see, I can run nmap, and it's going to run because nmap is included in Kali NetHunter. So if I want to scan this, I can scan it, right? So everything now is installed, and you can go on and start using your installation. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, or if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks.